pizza bus. Cute. Alright, so put on a kurta. I don't know, after ages. So this is not a set. This is like different. This is different. That is different. It's going to the temple now. We're booking for a cab, and I'll see you guys on the way. Reach this place. It looks like a chowraha. So यहाँ से हमको थोड़ा सा चलना पड़ेगा, and it's filled with historical places. It's lots of old buildings and stuff. Let me show you. When you're coming from the like road, you feel like you're someplace else, and the moment you get inside this area, you feel like you're in some other country or something. Such different vibe, and such, it's just like a click, like literally like in a switch. My dupatta is not still.
Same here, yeah.
Struggle is real.
I know. वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा.
Token for the chappal. अरे है भाई तरीका लेटने का. लेट जाओ, ऐसे फैल जाओ जमीन पर. जी after you visit the temple, you can like empty your pockets there, because this market is huge and there's so many stuff that you can purchase. Like it is like buzzing with shops of all kinds. Pretty. I'm just gonna have morning. So I've got some pancake with whipped creams and some syrup. I've got a masala omelette, coffee, and some fruits. So that's my breakfast. Ready for the full light. I'm gonna have brownie with ice cream and some of the fruits that I ordered for breakfast. So yeah, and I love how my hair is looking today. Bouncy. This looks so good. Bye, Amritsar, until next time. See you guys when I get back to Bangalore. Back to Bangalore someday.